Here's a nice feature many people don't realize about Smart Suite when it relates to multiple select custom field. And so typically in a software, you can set up a multiple select field, but then you have to enter the options yourself, right? So let's say I want to have a multiple select to choose what country in the a country multiple select. Let's say I'm gathering information about different people across different countries and I want a multiple select. In Smart Suite, if you click that, you can pull in a pre-made list, and we have different lists over here. So I have countries, and I can now pull in this entire list, and if I hit import list, there I go. I have all the countries in the world pre-populated. You can also pull in an age range. You can pull in gender. You can pull in employment type. You can pull in continents. You can pull in time zones. You can pull in project phases. You can just, we have all these different pre-populated lists that will just populate your multiple select instead of you having to enter these on your own. Then you can come over here and customize, change the color, drag and drop, delete, etc. The other interesting thing that we have is include choice descriptions. So that means you can enter a description for each choice so that users, when they're selecting from the multiple select, know what each choice means. And this will show up as they're selecting the multiple choice. So if I save my choices over here and I add the field, and then I come in here, you will see that I can't even find those that I set up right now. But here, let's enter a few descriptions on the top first. Save choices. There we go. So now you can see that when I'm selecting Afghanistan, I see the description below it. So I can explain what each multiple choice means. Another cool feature we have on the multiple choice is include value. So I can say this one is worth 3, this one is worth 5. And this comes really in handy when, let's say this was a product multiple select, right? So people are choosing products. If you enter a value, you can then use that value in the formula option, and you don't have to have a separate custom field that's referencing the price or whatnot. So you can basically have a formula that's pulling from the values of the multiple select. And I'll just pull up the formulas. It can pull from the multiple select. Let's go into the advanced editor. You see we have this beautiful advanced editor for the formula field. But either way, it can just pull from the multiple select without you having to have a separate field, a separate lookup field or a separate custom field that's referencing each product, what the price is, right? So you can just include those options right in there. And that goes for many different things. Like you could basically assign a value to a particular multiple choice, and each multiple choice can have a separate value. And this is how Smart Suite multiple choice stands out from other products.